What up, best friends? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm working with a new company by the name of Vshow. They sent me this 250 density kinky curly orange wig. I've never had a wig like this particular color that's already pre-colored, that's kinky curly. Like, I've just never had one. So I was like, okay, this is something different, let me try it. And boy, let me tell you, it was really something different. So this is a stock wig, okay? It does come with 4 combs and adjustable straps, and the hairline was pre-plucked, but you are going to see me go in and pluck the hairline once the wig is applied. After I washed and did some baby hairs, this is what the hairline looks like, and the wig natural curl pattern looks like. It looks exactly like how it looked in the package, and that's actually, you know, different, because usually when you wash it, the curls look a bit different, but these curls look the exact same way that that it looked like in a package. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses. You know, guys already know the routine. This wig was it was a different type of install. Like, you gotta trust the process when it comes to when it came to this one. All right, so I did struggle installing it, but I had to figure it out because my hairline is a bit different. I do have a low hairline on the side of my face and a higher hairline at the top, so this wig kind of fit me different, but I had to maneuver it in order to, or, you know, play around with it in order to make it lay down good on me and my hairline, right? Because if I left it right there, how it is sitting right there, it wouldn't have covered my entire hairline. And the point is, I wanted this entire wig to be covered. So what I ended up doing is I pulled the lace a little bit down. So as you can see, the top of the lace is literally sitting in the middle of my forehead. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Eben active spray. I think that's what it, or extreme hold spray. And I'm going to use that to spray the hairline down where it is, right? So it's going to look like I'm pulling my wig a little bit too low, but it's gonna all work out at the end. So I'm gonna spray the top of my hairline. I'm gonna spread it out because it is a runny consistency, and then I'm gonna lay it down and then blow dry it until it's completely dry, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. So once the hairline is actually almost dry, well, dry to the point where it's not going to move, I took my rat tail comb to see where my actual hairline started, and then I'm going to cut into the actual lace front, okay? So I'm doing this because I need to customize it to fit to my actual hairline, all right? I naturally have a widow's peak, so that's the reason why you see me doing like this arch shape, because I am going to cut it out. I find me doing it this way was easier than me like doing it off of my head, because I can actually see where my actual hairline is and where it needs to sit. So once I do that, I'm going to cut the excessive lace and the hair off in that area. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side so it can mimic and match. So again, I'm going to part out the area that I need to cut off so it can fit my hairline right. Like the sides of this wig fit, but the top of it didn't, so I had to pull this down. So it's like, you know, you listen, cutting into your wig is okay. I still have the full, almost the full parting space of this wig, but the front of it needed to be customized in order for me to wear it. And so therefore, if you have a hairline like mine, this probably isn't the right wig for you. If you do have a normal rounded hairline that does not dip down, this will work wonderful for you. Okay, so I'm going to part it out, and then I'm going to cut off the excessive lace, and then if anything is sticking up, I'm going to take some even spray and then spray it down. So I did my baby hairs, and I noticed like the front of the hairline was just so blunt. So I went in with my Revlon tweezers, and I'm going to pluck some of it so it won't be so thick in the front. Like, I really had to trust myself with this situation, because I was like, ooh, girl, like, but it actually came out looking pretty decent to me. Like, I feel like, you know, given what I had to work with as far as the hairline, it came out looking pretty decent. So once the hairline is plucked, I'm gonna just put my hair in a bun or clip it up, and I'm going to spray my hair down with the even spray, because we want to make sure that everything is laid down and super flat. So I'm gonna pin it up and then lightly spray my hairline, and then use my elastic band to tie it down. Once everything is dry, I'm gonna peel the elastic band off, access my hairline just to make sure that it looks pretty okay, and then I'm gonna take my hot comb and just smooth the front of my hairline out. I love doing this. It makes me feel better. It makes my hairline look better. It just makes it look a little bit neat. Not too neat, because I really don't like neat hair. I like big, frizzy, like kind of messy looking hair, because it just makes it look a little bit more natural, in my opinion. So I'm gonna just flat iron the top just to make sure it just looks okay, like presentable. Ooh, y'all, I need a break. Okay, I'm gonna come back and my makeup gonna be done. So I decided to fluff out the hair and comb out all the excessive shedding that was happening, because like I said, I did pluck the hairline after I installed it, and then I did cut the lace inside of the actual wig. So I wanted to make sure that all the excessive shedding was out. At first, I didn't want to really disturb the curls. That's the reason why I'm combing it like this. But then I ended up taking a paddle brush and brushing her all the way out. So yeah. So this is what I got. She's actually really cute. I wish I myself would dip this in a little darker orange though. Okay, best friend. So this is what the hair looks like all the way brushed out. And honestly, I'm the type of person that will wear it like this. I would just make the flat of my hair a little flatter with the hot comb and everything like that. And I honestly would run a blow dryer through it just to get it more of a blow dry look, because I actually like wearing, you know, wigs and stuff like this. I wanted to brush out all the shedded hair from when I was cutting my hairline, so that's the reason why I ended up combing it out. But I actually like this. I'll probably do a half up, half down, because you know I'm infamous for that, because I like me a half up, half down. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in this wig, I will leave all the information down below in the description box for you guys, okay? Anything that I use in this video will be down below in the description box for you. And until next time, bye, best friends.
On the beat.